A while ago I installed this 70mm dash cam, which I was kindly given. Thank you very much, 70mm, you beauts. And it also comes with a rear dash cam. It also doubles up as a security cam. Problem I had was two things. One, the camera they sent me was an interior camera, and I have a frosted back window, so I need an exterior camera. The other thing was the cable that came with it wasn't long enough. 6.5 meters this is. I need to go up out the roof, across the top, so it's going to have to be more like 8.5 meters, roughly. The beautiful people at 70mm have sent me another camera. This is an external one, which fits that dash cam. And I'm just going to see if this cable's long enough. They have sent me an extra cable, C to C, but I don't have a connector C to C. So maybe this is long enough. If it's not, I'm going to have to get a connector to finish the job. We'll have to see how it goes. We may be lucky because we're at the front of the van, and I'll just run it along the ground. It goes past the van, so we may be lucky. I want to mount it up high so it can't be tampered with, or it'll be harder for it to be tampered with. We could put it on the back box or down here. I do have one down there, but it doesn't work, it's rubbish. I'd like it up there. So anyway, I can drill the hole. I'm gonna have to do it in the cab, so I'm gonna have to bring the bed down, go up there, figure out where I'm gonna put it, and see how we get on. Alright, I'm going to drill a hole there. We've got the security camera cable comes in through there, so which comes into the cupboard. So I'm just going to come over here, which takes us into the cupboard near the cab, so I don't have to go actually through the cab area. The camera is hopefully going to sit there. Hopefully. It's definitely not long enough, which is really annoying. So I need a C to C coupler connector. Can I find one? No, I have to order on Amazon or eBay or something. Really annoying. And there it is, that's come through there, which has worked out okay. I just need to fill that full of Fixall in a minute. Seal it up. So let's see how far the cable reaches. Right, so I bought a little adapter thing off of eBay. No, Amazon or whatever. It's in there. I didn't show you it, but it's just basically a C to C adapter. And now I'm able to plug my camera in. Awesome. So I've got rear view there, and then you've got front view, rear view up there, but it's really small to see. And then you've got this kind of like rear view, front view up there, and then front view. So when I'm reversing, I can just flick that, and then I can see, and I can see the top of the back box. There you can see that. I can see the top of the back box, so I know that's the very end of my van, and it's a really good field of view behind, so it acts as a really good security camera as well. So jobs are good, isn't it? So now we're going to get all this off, get rid of that because it doesn't work, remove the other old camera from the back as well, take that out because that don't work, get rid of it. Yeah. So now that's all gone, I've got a much better view now. And I can put my phone here on this little cradle, which I've put in there, and that's the rear view camera there. So I can actually use it on a bigger screen if I want to, and maybe get a different one for sat nav or whatever, or just use it when I'm parking. That's front camera, rear camera. How do I get out? Get out that way. Bingo mass. That is pretty awesome. And if I don't want to use that, it's up there anyway.